In today's video, we're going to learn what the Comnogenic Scale is and how to use it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Do-it-yourself recipes mainly contain ingredients such as oils and butters due to their natural components and skin health benefits. Today, we're going to rank the oils and butters found in most of these recipes, so you can use your best judgment when determining what ingredients to use for your skin when making skincare products. What is the Comnogenic Scale? The Comnogenic Scale ranks ingredients on how likely they will clog pores. Those who are susceptible to acne or blackhead breakouts should avoid highly comnogenic ingredients. However, your skin type is also a factor when determining what to use. What does non-comnogenic mean? Non-comnogenic ingredients generally don't clog pores and have a comnogenic rating of 2 or less. Most substances with a rating of 5 usually guarantees that a person who is prone to acne breakouts will have one. There are many factors that can determine how a particular oil impacts your skin, so there's no way to make a concrete prediction. Everyone's skin is different, so a substance will impact people in different ways. Some of these factors are skin type, illness, water intake, and environment. First things first, know your skin type. When determining which ingredients on the Comnogenic Scale to use, you have to know your skin type. There are 5 main skin types: normal, dry, oily, sensitive, and combination skin. Normal skin is generally not dry or oily. The pores are usually small and skin isn't shiny or flaky, and usually there are few wrinkles or lines. Those with normal skin should use products that don't strip natural oils, but apply products that hydrate, which help to reduce lines and wrinkles. Essential considerations when you have normal skin is using substances that are lightweight and maintain the skin's balance. Dry skin causes the skin to tighten and create scaly, flaky patches on its surface. People with dry skin usually have tiny pores. Those with dry skin should have a regular skincare routine, avoid harsh cleansers, and prolonged use of hot water on the skin. Oily skin usually creates a shine on the face and is sometimes coupled with severe acne breakouts. Oily skin may be due to genetics or frequent hormonal changes. However, those with oily skin usually have less wrinkles and the skin will seem to age more slowly. Although it may seem counterintuitive, oily skin needs to be moisturized. Otherwise, your skin may produce extra sebum, which could make acne breakouts worse. Sensitive skin is usually accompanied by redness, itching, burning, and overly dry skin. Those with sensitive skin may experience occurrences of rosacea, dermatitis, and other skin irritations. Harsh sulfites found in most shampoos and soaps, products with intense fragrances, and harsh acids should be avoided by those with dry skin. Combination skin is usually dry and flaky on one part of your skin and oily on another. This skin type has various needs and is probably the most common skin type. Those with combination skin should use 2 moisturizers, one for your oily areas and one for the dry, flaky areas. Also, be sure to exfoliate at least once a week to keep your pores unclogged. These are my favorite oils when making skincare products. Olive oil is a deep moisturizer. It's an antioxidant and can maintain skin tone. It's also soothing and supports against inflammation. Olive oil is a 2 on the scale and good for dry, acne-prone skin. Coconut oil is a deep moisturizer. It absorbs quickly and can soothe skin irritations. It's also an antioxidant and antifungal. Coconut oil is a 4 on the scale. It's best for dry skin and use only on the body. Rosehip seed oil is moisturizing. It helps exfoliate, brighten skin tone, and boost collagen formation. It also helps reduce inflammation, supporting against skin ailments such as eczema and psoriasis. It also helps reduce dark circles under the eyes, scars, and fine lines. Rosehip seed oil is a 1 on the scale. It's best for oily and acne-prone skin. Grapeseed oil is a lightweight moisturizer. It balances oil production and can help reduce dark circles under the eyes. It can also promote collagen restoration, is a natural astringent, and repairs skin cells. Grapeseed oil is a 1 on the scale, and it's great for most skin types. Jojoba oil is easily absorbed by the skin without leaving it greasy. It's rich in vitamin E and so helps eliminate free radicals, giving the skin a glowing complexion. It soothes and moisturizes dry, chapped, and irritated skin, making it great for skin affected by psoriasis, sunburn, and acne. Jojoba oil is a 2 on the scale. It's great for most skin types, including oily and acne-prone skin. Almond oil is moisturizing and can help to reduce puffiness and under-eye circles. It can improve complexion, skin tone, and the appearance of scars. Almond oil is a 2 on the scale. It's best for dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. Argan oil is moisturizing and soothing to various skin irritations like dermatitis and acne. It's also an antioxidant, supports against inflammation, and may help in wound healing. Argan oil is a 0 on the scale and ideal for most skin types. Shea butter has high concentrations of fatty acids and vitamins, making it a wonderful ingredient for softening skin and intense moisturizing. It is highly conditioning, toning, and soothing to the skin. It also has anti-inflammatory and healing properties. Shea butter is a 0 to 2 on the scale. It's best for normal to dry skin. Cocoa butter is highly moisturizing and helps prevent against skin dryness and peeling. It can help lessen signs of aging and soothe skin irritations such as dermatitis or rashes. It's also an antioxidant and supports against inflammation. Cocoa butter is a 4 on the scale. It's ideal for body use only. There is no scientific classification of skin types, so this scale is subjective. Since there are so many different skin types and needs, it's important to try various ingredients to discover your skin preferences. Use a product for at least a month to evaluate how your skin reacts. Thanks for watching, and remember, subscribe, comment, and ring that bell for more wellness content at The Essential Journey, restoring the mind, body, and home with the power of nature.